What's up, y'all? Gonna get you with a quick voiceover today. So y'all seen I won the Lexus bid, so we're just traveling through Charlotte on the way to China Grove to pick the car up. So we're pulling in the Copart right now. Alright, and we're pulling up. So I don't know where they're gonna load at, but let's find out. Alright, so I got to figure out if I go to the back or over there. I don't know, but we'll get it figured out. Alright, y'all, so this happened really fast. As soon as I got to the back, they was pulling the car out. So here, me and my son is just getting strapped down on a trailer. But I'm going to explain the process to y'all. It was pretty simple, but just a couple things to watch out for. So I won the car on that Monday's auction. And then, I went on and tried to set up to do a wire transfer because it looks like that was what was preferred. So I went through my bank and did a wire transfer, and you can kind of get a couple options. So it was cheaper to do a wire transfer than with your credit or debit card. So it was $1,908 is what my total ended up being. So from there, my bank would have charged a $30 wire transfer fee for right then, or I think it would have been $10 for the next day. And since I know I couldn't get the car until at least Wednesday, I went on and did the next day wire transfer for $10. So I spent $1,928 on it. So Tuesday gets here. I'm watching to see if it ever updates about my payment, and nothing. So then on Wednesday, still no updates. So I'm like, what the heck is going on? So I finally called Copart customer service, and they was able to locate the funds because it's saying there's ACH, I think, and it didn't have any details. So I put all the details in the transfer, but it just sent over basically my name and my payment amount. So I had to wait a little bit, and we finally got the payment cleared for the car. And this was all on Wednesday, the same day you're watching this pickup. So once we got the payment, I went to U-Haul, grabbed the trailer, and then after work, headed up, and it was a really short window, so they closed at 5 o'clock, and it's an hour away from my job. So I got off work a few minutes early to get here. So you go into Copart, give them your member number. They see the payment is cleared. They print the title off right then and there. They do all the signing, get your documents, and you walk out back. You take your vehicle to the back, and as you can see, they get you loaded on the trailer and you strap it down. So pretty simple process. And then outside of that, here I'm just pulling out little pieces that could fly off on the highway, and trying to get no ticket for littering and all that stuff. So just grabbing pieces of the headlight out, and any other broken parts, and just throwing them in the back of the truck. But pickup was really simple. It probably only took 15 minutes, if that. So, and then we just gonna walk around the car, just kind of checking it out, making sure it is what I bid it on or what I last seen it as. And for the most part, it looks like everything was intact and ready to go. You will see that as we're looking through the car, I did double check again for the key, and basically it wasn't there. So I had already knew that it was no key, but we just went on and pulled the trigger on the buy anyway. So yeah, not gonna keep talking through these clips, but so you can just see, yeah, this is the car. You see the damage, and we're actually gonna get it onto the house. All right, so no issues getting the car to the house. It's actually, I can tell it's a lot lighter than the Charger. Truck had no problems at all, getting it where it needs to be. And then here we're just gonna do what I see Goon Squad do. That's like my favorite YouTubers. They always clean up their new purchase before really doing anything to it. So here, me and my son, we still got it on the trailer. You can see all the muds on the tires and stuff. I didn't want to have that in the garage. So here we just, cleaning the car up, trying to see, exactly what we have here. Went pretty smooth. Car actually came pretty dang clean too as well. So yeah, that's all we're doing right here. Just getting it quick wash so that we can get it into the garage. Alright, time to vacuum this bad boy out. This is already super clean, but we're gonna get the insides real good and clean, and we'll keep going from there. Alright, here's the finished product. It's actually a couple days later, but I just realized I never showed y'all what it looked like all cleaned up. So you can see we've been putting a little dirt in it, just moving it around in the yard, but man, it came back real clean. If you remember, this was full of cigarette smoke and all that. So, well, cigarette ashes. So car is super clean. Look at those little seats. Back is the same way. Super clean, and we cleaned the heck out the headliner. So no marks at all on the headliner. So yeah, man, it good clean car. So with that, this was, the take home and first wash. Just trying to clean it up and see what we got, and then we'll get along with the rest of the build, and should be pretty soon here. Thanks for watching. Check out the next video. Peace out.